Hello everybody. Today we are doing a question from CSIR Net December 2018. Question is from part B. Question is, let C is equals to set 1 2, 2 1 be a basis of R square and T from R square to R square be defined by T of xy is equals to x plus y x minus 2y. If T of C represents the matrix of T with respect to the basis C, then which among the following is true? So, we have to find the matrix representation of the transformation T with respect to the basis C. C is set 1 2 and 2 1 and T is a transformation from R square to R square, which is defined by T of xy is equal to x plus y x minus 2y, and we have to find what is the matrix representation of T with respect to C. So for that, let us first of all find what is T of 1 2, that is equals to 1 plus 2 1 minus 2 into 2 by using the way in which T is described. So this is 3 comma 1 minus 4, so minus 3. So this is the image of 1 comma 2 with respect to T. And similarly, T of 2 comma 1 is 2 plus 1 comma 2 minus 2 into 1. So this is equals to 3 comma 2 minus 2 0, right? So this is the image of 2 1. Now we have found what is T of 1 2 and what is T of 2 1, but we have to find the matrix representation of T with respect to C. So now we have to find what is the coordinate representation of the image of 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1 with respect to the basis C which we have been provided. That is, we have to write 3 minus 3 as the linear combination of vectors present in C, as well as 3 comma 0 as the linear combination of vectors present in C. So let us start with 3 comma minus 3. So if we start with 3 comma minus 3, let we have scalars C1 and C2 such that 3 minus 3 is equals to C1 1 2 plus C2 into 2 1. So that is C1 plus 2C1 and 2C1 plus C2. So this implies we have to solve the equations C1 plus 2C1 is equals to 3 and 2C1 plus C2, this is C2 and this is also C2, is equals to minus 3. So how can we solve them? Let us multiply this one by 2. So this is 4C1 plus 2C2 is equal to minus 6. So now we have minus 3C1 is equals to 9, which implies C1 is equals to minus 3. So we have obtained C1 is equals to minus 3, and similarly if we want to find C2, C2 will be equal to, from this first equation we have 2C2 is equals to 3 minus C1, which implies C2 is equals to 3 minus C1 by 2. So C2 is equals to 3 plus 3 by 2, which is 6 by 2, that is 3. So we have C1 is equals to minus 3 and C2 is equals to 3. Therefore, the coordinate representation of 3 minus 3 with respect to the elements present in C with respect to the basis C is minus 3, 3. Okay. So this is the coordinate representation of 3 minus 3 with respect to the vectors present in C. Similarly, we will find the coordinate representation of image of 2, 1, that is 3, 0 with respect to the vectors present in C. Okay, so we have to find basically the coordinate representation of 3, 0, and for that let C1 and C2 be two scalars such that this equation is holding true, and therefore we are having 3, 0 is equals to C1 plus 2C2 and 2C1 plus C2. So this implies C1 plus 2C2 is equals to 3 and 2C1 plus C2 is equal to 0. From the second equation we have C2 is equals to minus 2C1, and substituting this value of C2 in first equation we will be having C1 plus 2 into minus 2C1 is equals to 3. That gives C1 minus 4C1 is equals to 3, which gives minus 3C1 is equals to 3, and hence we have C1 is equals to minus 1. Right? We have C1 is equals to minus 1, and hence C2 is equals to minus 2 into minus 1, which is equals to 2. So the coordinate representation of 3, 0 with respect to the basis C is minus 1, 2. Now we have obtained the coordinate representations of the vectors. Therefore, how we can find the matrix T which represents T of C which represents the linear transformation T? The matrix will be, of course, a 2 by 2 matrix. And what will be the entries in this matrix? The first column will be the matrix the first column will be the coordinate representation of image of 1, 2 with respect to the basis C. So that will be minus 3, 3. So minus 3, 3. And second column will be the coordinate representation of 2, 1. The coordinate representation of image of 2, 1 with respect to the vectors present in C. So that is minus 1, 2. So this is the matrix representation of T with respect to C. The first column is the coordinate representation of image of 1, 2 with respect to C, and the second column is the coordinate representation of image of 2, 1 with respect to C. And this is similar to option number 3. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Thank you.